how a bitch did it. Bring it way back, yeah, I'ma tell you how a bitch did it. Bring it way back, I'ma start from the beginning when I'm finished. Smoke it out and get back to them digits.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made these super cute, super easy patchwork jeans. You just need a pair of jeans that fit really good, and then a few pairs of old jeans that you don't want, a bunch of patterns. I used some camo joggers and some other old jeans, different colors with like rips and stuff in them. This is so easy to do and they came out so cute. So if you want to learn how I made these, just keep watching. So these are the jeans that I'm working with, and then I have a few pairs of different kinds of jeans. So I have like just regular denim, I have some camo in there, cargo, jeans with rips, just any kind of jeans you can find pretty much. So you can see I had already started cutting up some pieces of jeans before I started recording. So this is going to be me just placing those pieces. I put pockets on the front side, and I took the cargo pants and I just took their belt loops and I actually put them on top of the denim belt loop so that you get that look. And yeah, this is just me cutting up pieces, random pieces of all the jeans, and just finding cool parts that I think would look cool on the actual jeans that I'm making. And then I'm gonna just be placing them onto spots where I think they'd look good. Also, if you guys have real fabric scissors, use them, because oh my gosh, this took forever with these little scissors. I couldn't find mine, and so I just was using these little craft scissors, and it's just so much harder to cut through jeans than it is like regular fabric. So definitely, if you have fabric scissors, like heavy duty scissors, use those because it will go by so much faster. So you can see right here I'm taking like a little patch of some destructed, whatever you call it, part of another pair of jeans, and I'm gonna be attaching this part to the pants. And I think this part's so cool because you can still see the actual denim jeans under, but you still get a patch over it and you get the different colors, and it just looks so cute. So this right here is one of my favorite parts. I'm just going to take out the pocket on these camouflage joggers, and it looks really cute when you reattach it because it's still a pocket. So it is functional, but yeah, it just gives a cute look. So now right here I'm doing the same thing I did on the green camo, and I'm taking the belt loop right by the seam, and I'm just cutting the top of the jean off, and then I'm gonna reattach that to the belt loops on the actual denim. So if you can tell with this part, I'm trying really hard to cut on the outside of the seams, because when you start cutting into it, that's when it starts looking kind of messy. And especially if you're gonna put these in the washer and dryer, they're just gonna start fraying, and it's just not gonna look, I mean, it could look cute, but I just think it looks much neater this way. So be mindful of that as well when you're cutting your pieces. So here you can see I'm going to start cutting the top of the belt loops just like I did on the green side, and I put that at the top where the waistline is. Under and through the actual denim loop. That might sound kind of confusing, but you'll see what I mean. So this part right here I think is probably the most unique part of the jeans. I think it looks really cool. I'm just going to take a pair of Wrangler jeans. These are too big on me, so I can't use them anyway. This is the literally only part of the jeans I cut off, but it was whatever because I can't wear them. So I cut off the little, logo part, and I think that looks so cute. And I eventually just attach it to the inside seam of the jeans. So a few times you'll see me pick a piece up and move it around in different spots, and I definitely recommend doing this. Don't just stick to this specific pattern, because there's literally so many different ways you can make these jeans, so many different colors, so many different designs, and definitely move pieces around. Don't just put it there and it's there, because once you sew this or glue it down, it's done. So definitely move some stuff around, see what kind of looks you can do, and figure out what you think looks best. So right here I'm cutting off the bottom of a different pair of jeans, and you'll see that I'll put it on the bottom of the jeans I'm making, and you want to put it right at the seam of the actual jeans so that it matches up perfectly and it looks like it is a part of the jean, like the bottom of the jeans are a different color. So I think this part looks really cool. So basically after this part my camera cut off and I didn't notice, but luckily I ended up being able to record most of the important stuff. So after this, and I lay all the pieces down onto my denim, I pin everything down, and then I take some fabric glue and I take it and I glue all the pieces down onto the actual denim. I'm going to insert a picture of the glue I use right here. And after I glue everything down, I take my sewing needle and I just go in and sew up as much as possible. What the glue does is it saves a lot of time with sewing, so that's why I like the glue. So yeah guys, that's basically all you do, and these are the jeans on. They look so cute and they're literally so easy to make. So if you try these out, definitely tag me so I can see, and follow me on Instagram, and yeah, subscribe, like if you like this video and you want to see more from me. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.